Oi, welcome to the international community. I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. Thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic in the category of insurance, personal versus company insurance. I want to explain this to you. If you go to a company and you're going to work there for a very long time, yes, company insurance can be good. But what happens if you lose your job after 2 years or 5 years? This could be a bit dangerous because when you want to get personal insurance, your premiums are going to go up by your age. Or if you happen to get sick, they're going to exclude those. So in this regard, the company insurance also has a 2-year clause that they don't ask you all this, but they have 2 years. So if you have underlying conditions, you don't also get protected on those. It's no different than the personal side. You have a 2-year clause as well. The company insurance is good because the employer's paying half and you're paying half, and it seems to be a better deal. But most of the time, these premiums are higher than you getting a personal policy, but you will save a bit with the employer paying half. So keep this in mind. If you want to get a life insurance policy, you're going to get a permanent policy on your personal side. This means you have it forever. There's other type of life insurances, term and universal and whole life. These are other areas. But the bottom line is if you want it permanent or you want it temporary is a good example. So you could get it for 10 years while you need it the most. The kids are getting older. You want to be safe just in case something happens. That's another thing you can do at a lower premium. The company doesn't have that either. They only have the permanent if you stay there, and you have it as long as you're there. This is another key factor. So another area is if you want disability insurance on the personal side, it gets very, very costly as you grow, right? As you get older. So this is something you want to think about when you're younger, because a premium, say example, when you're 20 could be $100 a month, and when you're 40, 45 could be $250, $300. Well, if you leave the company, you go back to get that insurance, look what happens. It's going to be very hard to get. This is why I highly recommend getting your own insurance. Also, another insurance you can get is critical illness. This is a unique insurance that helps you on many illnesses. I suggest shopping around because there's many different companies who have certain amount of illnesses only, 4 versus 30. So you want the best bang for your buck. But this is when you get a lump sum of example, $100,000, and you get paid out if you get a critical illness and you survive more than 30 days. This is another great benefit that a company may have. I haven't seen a lot of companies having this yet, but this could be really good for you to have, okay, and take you through a time of illness. And once again, getting it early really helps with the cost. Riders are things you could add on. One example is you could add on a rider of getting back all your premiums. If by 75 nothing happens to you, you get back all your premiums. You have to pay a little more for this, but it's a great rider. There's so many options on this. Once again, it's better to get this when you're younger. When you get older, it becomes very hard to get this insurance. The other area is dental and extended healthcare benefits. This is a great area that you could get from the company. Also, you could double up the program with your personal benefits, meaning the life and disability, if you want to get all those and they only allow you to get all of them or nothing, or you could just request getting extended and dental benefits only. That'd be a great thing to do because they're going to pay half and it's going to cost you a lot more on the other side. There's less waiting periods, less clauses on these. So this is a bit more open. It can be more to get it in the future as you get older, but it's not too bad. This is an area I wouldn't be too scared of. So keep this in mind. I want to tell you also about credit card benefits also because a lot of these plans don't have that. So you can use out-of-country insurance on your credit card. If you have a credit card, I recommend really good credit cards, even paying a slight premium. That will help you if you get sick or injured outside of the country. And also for trip cancellation, car problems, all types of stuff on the credit cards. It's a really good area. Really look into the cards and really look into the clauses of what's covered when you go pre-existing conditions. Just don't think you have it because you have the credit card. You have to phone, you have to read the manuals, and you have to do your research. Be very, very careful. Once again, thank you for tuning in today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram. Like us on Facebook. I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. To all your friends and family and colleagues, much love. God bless. Hope to see you soon.